Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily change the sound output in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is pretty straightforward. Go to the bottom next to the search is going to be a start button. Right click on the start button, and then under task manager you're going to see settings. Click on the settings, and then you're going to see the system here. And you're gonna see the sound, and you're gonna see all the options here that you can change from. What you can do also is to simply add a new device. So that's something you can do, and you can add a Bluetooth, wireless display or dock. Everything else you choose it, but this is how you can change sound output device in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.